Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where forgotten materials find new purpose and timeless beauty is reborn. If you love creative home decor, sustainable design, and turning overlooked materials into meaningful, high-end pieces, you're in the right place. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a transformation that proves great design doesn't have to come from new materials, only new ideas. Today's journey, Forgotten Wood Metal Reimagined, Architectural Salvage into High-End Upcycled Decor, is all about seeing value where others see waste and transforming history into style. Architectural salvage carries stories within it: old beams that once supported homes, metal frames shaped by decades of use, and textures formed through time rather than machines. These materials are rich with character, far beyond what factory-made decor can offer. When reclaimed wood meets aged metal, the result is a balance of warmth and strength that feels both grounded and refined. High-end decor is not defined by price tags, but by intention, craftsmanship, and the emotional connection a piece creates within a space. The process of reimagining forgotten wood begins with observation. Weathered surfaces, natural cracks, nail marks, and patina are not flaws, they are features. Each mark adds depth and authenticity. Instead of sanding away history, thoughtful upcycling highlights it. A rough beam can become a sculptural shelf, a statement wall accent, or a refined tabletop that anchors a room. The goal is not perfection, but harmony between raw texture and modern design. Metal elements bring contrast and structure to reclaimed wood. Rusted iron, steel brackets, and old hardware can be cleaned, sealed, or left partially raw depending on the desired look. When paired correctly, metal frames elevate wood from rustic to architectural. This contrast is what gives upcycled decor its high-end feel: soft organic surfaces balanced with bold industrial lines. It's the same principle used in luxury interiors, applied through sustainable materials. A single reclaimed element can inspire countless designs. Old window frames can become decorative wall features, mirrors, or room dividers. Salvage doors may transform into headboards, tabletops, or sliding panels. Metal grates and railings can be repurposed into lighting features, shelving supports, or sculptural decor. Each transformation begins with imagination rather than a fixed plan. High-end upcycled decor also depends on proportion and placement. Even the most beautiful salvaged piece can feel overwhelming if not scaled correctly. Thoughtful sizing ensures balance within a space. A large reclaimed wood panel works best as a focal point, while smaller metal details can add rhythm and visual interest. Luxury design often relies on restraint, letting materials breathe and speak for themselves. Finishing techniques play a key role in elevating salvaged materials. Natural oils, waxes, and matte sealants preserve texture while enhancing color and grain. For metal, clear coatings protect patina without removing character. These finishes are subtle, allowing the material's story to remain visible. The result is decor that feels intentional, not improvised. Lighting is another essential element in presenting upcycled decor as high-end. Warm lighting enhances wood tones, while directional light highlights textures and shadows. A reclaimed wood feature wall paired with soft ambient lighting can completely transform a room's atmosphere. Metal elements catch light differently, creating contrast and depth. Thoughtful lighting turns salvaged decor into functional art. Beyond aesthetics, upcycling architectural salvage is a powerful statement of sustainability. Reusing materials reduces waste, conserves resources, and minimizes the environmental impact of manufacturing new products. Each piece becomes a conscious choice, one that aligns beauty with responsibility. Sustainable decor doesn't mean compromising style, it means redefining it. There's also an emotional connection that comes with working with reclaimed materials. Knowing that a piece once had a life before yours adds meaning to your space. It becomes a conversation starter, a link between past and present. This sense of continuity is something mass-produced decor cannot replicate. High-end design often values uniqueness, and nothing is more unique than a one-of-a-kind upcycled piece. Architectural salvage also encourages creative problem-solving. Materials may come in irregular shapes or unexpected conditions, pushing you to adapt designs rather than follow templates. This flexibility leads to more original outcomes. Constraints often fuel creativity, and salvage materials provide just enough challenge to inspire innovation. When designing with reclaimed wood and metal, cohesion is key. Mixing too many styles can overwhelm a space. Instead, choose a consistent design language: modern rustic, industrial minimal, or organic contemporary, and let materials support that vision. Neutral backgrounds often work best, allowing salvaged pieces to stand out without competing for attention. Functional decor is where upcycling truly shines. Benches, shelves, tables, and storage pieces made from salvage combine beauty with purpose. These pieces are not just decorative, they are lived with and used daily. High-end design values functionality as much as form, and upcycled decor meets both needs effortlessly. Texture layering enhances the overall effect. Pair reclaimed wood with soft textiles, natural stone, or ceramic elements to create balance. Metal accents can be echoed subtly through lighting fixtures or hardware, tying the space together. Thoughtful layering creates depth and warmth, essential for a refined interior. Patience is an often overlooked part of upcycling. Taking time to understand each piece, its strengths, weaknesses, and potential, leads to better results. High-end decor is never rushed, it's considered and intentional. Urban apartments to rural homes, reclaimed materials bring authenticity. In modern interiors, they add warmth and contrast. In traditional spaces, they reinforce character. Their adaptability is what makes them timeless. For creators and DIY enthusiasts, upcycling can also be a source of income. High-quality salvage decor is increasingly valued in the market. Buyers appreciate craftsmanship, sustainability, and originality. With attention to detail and design, upcycled pieces can compete with luxury decor brands, often surpassing them in uniqueness. But beyond profit or trends, the heart of upcycling lies in respect for materials, craftsmanship, and the environment. It's about honoring what already exists and giving it a future. Each transformation is a reminder that beauty doesn't have to be new to be valuable. As you explore architectural salvage, let curiosity guide you. Visit old buildings, salvage yards, and forgotten spaces with an open mind. Inspiration often comes from unexpected places. What matters is not the condition of the material, but the vision you bring to it. At Kuki Decor, we believe that every piece of wood and metal has potential waiting to be unlocked. Through thoughtful design, careful craftsmanship, and creative vision, forgotten materials can become centerpieces of modern living. High-end decor is not about excess, it's about meaning, balance, and authenticity. As we come to the end of this journey, we hope you feel inspired to look at old materials differently. See opportunity instead of waste, character instead of damage, and beauty instead of neglect. Reimagining architectural salvage is more than a design choice, it's a mindset that values creativity, sustainability, and individuality. If this video inspired you, please like and share it with others who love creative decor and sustainable living. And don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more ideas that transform forgotten materials into stunning, high-end home decor. Your support helps this creative community grow, and together, we'll keep turning the overlooked into something extraordinary.